I'm Sean. This is an MP412C, and there's a reason that I was working on this car, and it's downpipes. These are the downpipes that I took off, and I'm going to show you why I took them off. You might have already spotted it. The bung hole came loose. The O2 sensor that goes in there, it was just dangling, popped out. The thing just broke off clean. So that was the initial reason for putting in new downpipes. The other reason, you can see that weld is awesome, but there's also missing tabs. That one over here, that one. I think there was that one. Now we know they're missing because when I undid the heat shield, these came off with it. So yeah, these tabs just broke clean off, no problem. Notice another issue. The cat itself came loose on both of them. They're about to pop out. So these are no bueno. Now who made them? GMG. Apparently stands for Garbage Man. Garbage. Has a spot for serial number. It's not filled in. And product number, I think. There's information on here it's not in there as I guess is supposed to be. And that's why I was here replacing downpipes. Those were faulty. They are garbage. I do not recommend them. Before you're asking the question, oh, I must have had a tune and blah, blah. No, there's no pop and bang. There's none of that. They just failed horribly.